Over 1,000 solar panels are currently being installed in the Wauwatosa City Hall building, where the library is located.
In recent years, Wauwatosa has made sustainability a priority, but solar panels also have many economic benefits.
We spoke with a couple of people closely involved in the solar panel installation about what this project means for the city of Wauwatosa.
Right now, we're installing solar panels on the Civic Center Building here at City Hall and Library. My desk gets covered with dust all the time because these guys are pounding up there and all that, but it's for a good cause. I think everybody realizes that, first of all, we need to reduce our carbon footprint, but beyond that, if we can do it in a way that's cost efficient, why shouldn't we do it?
I would say that 80% of our customers do it for economic reasons. They are excited about the environmental impact, and we do have customers who say, I don't care about the cost, I just want the biggest system I can to contribute clean energy on the grid. I had a fantastic conversation with a homeowner like that in Menominee Falls. What motivated her was not that she was saving money, which she was, but that she was helping her neighbors have access to clean energy.
We installed solar panels on the Public Works building on the west side 2 years ago, and the solar panels are producing almost 100% of the building's energy consumption. So that's pretty good.
But reasons beyond economic benefit influence Wauwatosa's decision to install more solar panels. The Common Council adopted clean energy goals to reduce municipal emissions to 50% of 2010 levels by 2030, source at least 25% of all energy from local renewable sources by 2025, and achieve municipal and community carbon neutrality by 2050. Solar panels are an important factor in achieving these goals.
So those are pretty big goals, but they're important.
But solar panels aren't the start. Wauwatosa has added LED streetlights that use 50% less energy than the previous streetlights and last 4 times longer. Wauwatosa has green alleys and infrastructure, as well as a plastic straw ordinance, making sustainability a priority.
We also are a solar-ready community, and that means that we received a designation for our efforts to reduce barriers to solar development, not just for our buildings, but for buildings across the city. So we've revised our city ordinances and trained our staff and done other things to make sure that we are as supportive of solar energy as possible.
Growing support for solar energy has proved to be beneficial to many. The demand for solar is rising, leading to numerous new job opportunities.
We're definitely at a point where the awareness of solar is going to very quickly outpace Wisconsin installers' ability to put it on roofs, and that's going to be a really exciting time for not just folks like me who are in the industry, but people like you who are in high school that are going to see a whole new career path open up to them that didn't exist 10 years ago.
Getting a job in solar is very likely. We have a lot of 18-year-olds coming here fresh out of high school. You start out as being a solar installer, and that's what we'll teach you how to build with giant adult Legos, which is really, really cool. And then, I mean, like I said, every day, you know, you learn something new, and it kind of just over time, you learn a lot more, and you move up, and you make a career out of it, absolutely.
The solar panel installation process is very straightforward. Once the building's energy uses and roof is accessed, it is easy to know the production and amount of solar panels needed. Racking is put on the roof at a 20-degree angle to account for the amount of sun in Wisconsin. After the racking is put on, the panels are mounted. Next is electrical work. An optimizer connects to different panels and cleans up the energy, so that if 2 panels have 2 different readings, like if one is covered in snow and one isn't, an optimizer will balance it out, making it easier to read. Then the energy is sent back to the inverter. The inverter then converts the DC energy into AC energy, which can be used in the building. The solar panels themselves aren't overly complex either. But despite the simplicity of these solar panels, they are a powerful tool for homeowners and municipalities alike.
Wauwatosa has always been a forward-thinking part of the city and a great representative of both the Milwaukee area and Wisconsin in general. And I really do believe that a lot of places, municipalities, businesses, areas all over the state are going to look to this project and Wauwatosa in general and say, well, if they were able to accomplish it, then maybe we can too.